Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl CrystalChanel and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are an existing Diva Doll, then hey girlfriend, guess what? Today I have a brand new video. I'm going to be sharing where I get my contact lenses from. So y'all know, if you've been watching this channel, that I wear glasses. I like to switch up my glasses based off of my outfit or my mood, and the same thing with my colored contacts. I did partner with JUST4KIRA, and I'm going to share some affordable, some really drastic color changes. Like, I'm super excited to share this with y'all. So if you want to see what my contacts look like and where I get them from, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, we are going to get started. The first color we're going to get started with is NEALA Brown. This color, I can't really show you. Can you see it? It is like a brown with outside ring. I love these little cases, by the way. I have these on, I took pictures, I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I'm really appreciating the color. I think this color looks light, so it's noticeable, but it doesn't look unnatural. Like, it feels comfortable, the lenses themselves in my eyes. I can see with my actual prescription. So far so good. You shouldn't be sleeping in color contacts anyway. They're not super breathable, so you want to be sure that you do take them out at night. But yeah, I'm really digging the outside color. I have really large irises, so the outside rim actually helps my contacts blend better with my natural eye. So if you have really large irises, like the actual color of your eye, that's something to consider. But yeah, I'm actually feeling this. I think it lightens up my face, but it's not a drastic change to where you're like, oh, she's wearing contacts, you know? So what do you guys think? I'm gonna get closer for you. Okay, this one is very pretty. You can see the difference, right? This one is called Gem Brown. Very comfortable. This is kind of more like a greenish hazel color to me. Also, again, looks very natural. This one doesn't have a huge dark rim around it, but it does have a rim around it, which again is what I think helps with the blending. So I just wanted you to see the difference. So again, these contacts are very, very flattering. They cover dark eyes really well. The gem brown color actually looks more greenish to me, but it's such a nice blend of colors. It looks so natural. Like, I really do love these contacts. I love how these contacts were packaged. So the way they came were in two different kind of cases, really girly. I barely even wanted to open them. I definitely didn't want to throw away the packaging, but I'm a sucker for packaging. And as you can see, the packaging came really nicely. It came with instructions, and then you also have your options here, which is going to give your cases, you know, so you could have the two little plastic parts you can use to suction off your contact lens, or use the tweezers. But I thought this was a really nice package. I love how they give you these free items because you are definitely going to need them. So back to the contacts. These blue contacts, y'all, they are so pretty. I really don't wear blue a lot because I don't think it's just natural for you know, a girl that looks like me. I know some people do have blue eyes naturally, but I kind of stay away from it. This gem blue color is really changing my mind because, again, they're mixed with so many different colors, and the whole burst pattern makes it look realistic. Now, again, I have really large irises, so my brown shows a lot. And I also have astigmatism in one of my eyes, and you know, like, these aren't fitted for me directly, so you will see some sliding, but all in all, I really don't care. I mean, if I'm gonna wear contacts, it's simply gonna be for the mood or the look that I'm going for. So again, this is my first time trying JUST4KIRA, but I so far adore their brand and I recommend it. I'm gonna put the links to everything that I pick up down below so you guys can shop, and as well, you know, I'll find any coupon codes because, you know, I have to save y'all some coins. Now, next up is the Vision Gray color. I was very shocked at these because they were so light when I looked at them in the solution, the contact solution. So when I put them in my eye, I was like, wow, they make a huge difference. They kind of make you look a little mysterious. I mean, I think they're really beautiful, and yeah, you guys will have a lot of fun with these. These ones are most comfortable too. Definitely make you look exotic. I like these. This one is called Crystal Brown. It's pretty natural. I love the way it looks. I think it's really serving, honey. Like, my eyes are going to start watering in a second, so I need to hurry this along. I actually have just one more pair after these, so I think it looks pretty real. Again, any of the contacts that have the outside ring, I think they blend really nice with my actual color. They don't look too fake. I think if you get close, like, it's really still pretty natural looking. You guys can really not even tell these aren't my eyes. Like, look how pretty these are. These are really, 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 really pretty. Okay, we are down to the last pair, and this is CITHA Gray. These are very piercing, even more so than that other gray pair that I had on. The other gray pair was lighter, but these ones have, I don't know, it kind of makes my eyes look smaller, like a little more narrow. I want you to see that big color difference. So you have like an icy gray, and then you got your dark brown, my natural eye color. So this one is a big difference. I do think it's really pretty. It has like a star kind of pattern. Ta-da! I got them both in. Very piercing. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They're so piercing. They make my eyes look small, but they are very, very piercing. So let me get closer. Get into it. Do you see that like piercing? Like, it's kind of like a starburst. Like, it's serving like ice goddess. Like, look at it. I don't think they look natural, but they're definitely serving its purpose. You're definitely going to get attention with these contacts. I'm like a walking Instagram filter, girl. So yeah, that's it for the haul. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. All I can say is that this is my first experience with JUST4KIRA, and it's been a pretty good one. I love wearing color contacts. Again, I switch up my mood, I switch up my hair, like all of that, okay? So I love the presentation. The shipping didn't take long. The price is right. I'm going to put the actual links and color names as well as any coupon code that I can find, because you already know I got to hook my dolls up. But I'm going to put all those details down below, so be sure to check them out. Also, I have other videos that I've done. Check out my playlist. That way you guys can see my other contact try-on hauls as well as my glasses try-on hauls. Again, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Hey girl, if you're existing, but make sure you are sharing this video with a friend. Please help me support my channel just by sharing. It's free. Also, subscribe to this channel as well as my fitness and my vlog channels. That's free as well. And I'm going to put those links down below in the box. If you don't follow me on Instagram or on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. I have been uploading some more looks for you guys as far as makeup tutorials. If you want a hair tutorial, since I've been rocking my natural hair lately, how to do anything, like, y'all, I am a resource for you. I want to be able to answer questions, help save you money, help you feel good, be fly, stay confident, like all that good stuff. So I want to thank you dolls so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.